You can save hundreds, if not thousands of euros just writing a prompt to AI and it's gonna generate you a website. In the end of this video, I'm gonna show two websites generated by two different AIs, ChatGPT Codex and Claude. I'm gonna do only one-shot prompting, which means I'm gonna input one prompt and then see the results. Of course, if you want a full working website, you have to tweak it a bit, but overall this is amazing what AI can already do with just one prompt. So here we go.
So there are multiple prompts online that you can find where people just do websites quickly, easily with Gemini or with some other AIs like this guy over here. Used Gemini Pro 3.1 and got website like this. Completely amazing. To be fair, prompt itself is also super amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this prompt and paste it also to Gemini, although I have only Gemini 3. It doesn't matter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste this prompt as example and ask Gemini to write me a completely new prompt for website I need. And the prompt that I pasted is just gonna be a base how to write prompts, because Leon right here wrote a very good prompt, very specific and very detailed. So let's write to Gemini it. I'm telling Gemini just to learn how to write prompt, not to copy prompt itself. Prompt is good, but I don't want to have a website exactly like this. I just want to write good prompt as this. And to save time, I'm just gonna paste him this example prompt. So let's see what Gemini is gonna answer right now. So now Gemini has done some thinking. So now I'm gonna paste what I want. I want a base for a website that sells 4 different garden tools, specifically garden tools with battery. And it has to be modern, easy to understand and clean shop, but also look professional. So let's see what prompt Gemini is gonna now output. Okay, so it now outputted me prompt. As you can see, it is high-end and some creative technology. So now we have all the core designs, typography, components, and all the stuff else. So now I'm gonna copy this prompt. Now I can close all of that. And now what I'm gonna do is gonna go open for now VS Code. As you can see, I have open here Claude Code and also ChatGPT Codex. I'm gonna try both of them. Let's see how they're gonna perform. So let's first create a new project. I'm just gonna copy this folder location and write a code to there in folder paste me a new website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell create me now based on prompt that I'm gonna enter a new website that later can be used as a WordPress website, because I want to use WordPress because there are some local plugins that are only built in the WordPress. For example, right now I'm in Estonia, so I need Estonian shipping methods, and they are usually only on WordPress or some websites that have long enough been in the game. But also I would like to have a preview over here. And now I'm gonna also paste here a prompt. I'm gonna copy this text. I'm gonna give it to Claude, and also I'm gonna add here another folder. I'm gonna copy this folder and I'm gonna exactly the same prompt give also to ChatGPT Codex. But instead I'm just gonna change this file location so they don't mix up with each other. So ChatGPT is also running. Let's see which one how performs and which one of them is better. As you can see, difference is that ChatGPT is outputting right now my whole text over here. Claude, you have to click on it, then it's gonna show you what it's doing. I didn't ask any of them to plan me anything. Usually I click here on this small button and ask Claude to plan me stuff before, and then only see what I want, what I not. This time I already have a nice prompt, so I wanna see what they're gonna do everything with so-called one shot. So now you can see ChatGPT is finished working. So if I click on this website, then it's not gonna open me anything. Claude Code is still writing here a lot of things. So ChatGPT had first error, preview didn't work. So now ChatGPT is adding here Python. So let's tell it to run it. Okay, so here is preview of ChatGPT Codex built website. The future is silent, power without fumes. So here are the places for products. Here are some descriptions. So this is how ChatGPT built it. So Cloud Code also finished its run and it's telling me to open its file. So let's open it. Very similar looking website. Buttons are doing cool movement. Okay, it had here more images and it has also here some more stuff. So I think overall this looks better, but let me put them side by side. On the left side is ChatGPT, Codex, and on the right side is Cloud. As you can see, button movement here on ChatGPT is different than it is here with Cloud. In Cloud it is more interactive. Also the texture is a bit different. Now product viewing is also different. Style is different. To be fair, I like this Cloud one more right now. That's actually not bad at all. The core, and so in the bottom they have also different stuff. So Cloud overall is more interactive and has much more stuff. I personally like the Cloud one better. It seems just more like, wow, interactive and more overall nicer looking, but you can make your own judgment on which one you prefer. So here are the comparison of these two. So both of those prompts were made one shot, and that's how they look. So I'm gonna now continue with Cloud, and in the next video I'm gonna try to build an actual website with an actual product that can actually run on WordPress. But this is the video for comparison. Have a beautiful day.